Okay, now I'm going to install the 100 spring. I'm not really having a target FPS, I'm just going at it and installing all these parts. So take off that pin, this one, and that one. 3 body pins, separate the upper, put it over there. Gently pull out the wires, just extend it and bam, that comes out. Wiggle the wires. Okay, put that aside. And you know what? Since I'm nice, I'm going to grab this. It's a spare, like from our 1-point slings. I'm going to install this. We'll have to cut it, but I'll show you how to cut that. Like that. So the person's going to use a 1-point sling. I'm going to do that. That'd be cool. Okay. Basically, open, go, go, go. This will seem kind of redundant, but might as well make a whole bunch of videos showing in case you say, hey, I just want to install a spring. I don't care. Whatever other stuff you're doing, show me a video on how to do the spring. So that's what I'm going to go for. So, I have a good feeling about this. And just go ahead, take everything down. Hope I have a good hair day. And bam. Up and out. Wiggle, wiggle. Use a hook, release the spring tension. Good. And for this one, I'm just going to install the spring, that's it. Nothing else. All these will be separate videos. Because otherwise this is like a day-long process to make it all perfect and sweet. So... okay. Oh, sweet. It's not even attached. Okay, this will be simple. Okay. Stock spring, upgrade spring. This one's like a 110, almost like a 120, but it's short. The longer spring does help when you're doing like rate of fire and stuff like that, just so it doesn't like bind and everything. You just pop this in. And good to go. Close it up. Check the piston. Good. Give me like 3 minutes. And I'll show you just how to check it real quick. Make sure it works fine. I'm not going to do FPS tests right now just because I just had the lower. I just have to put other parts in. Cool, cool. Put the wires through.
Spotify is a classical music goldmine. All your classical favorites are right here.
Make sure the motor's springy.
Music to discover. So, if you're in the mood for a little Bach, Beethoven, or Brahms, just get searching. We like Facebook. It's a great way for us to share new releases and playlists with you. To plug yourself into the Spotify universe, just go to facebook.com/Spotify.
No. And close it up. And check real quick, grab the LiPo, plug it in. Pretty snappy. Just have to charge this. This was a brand new LiPo. I haven't charged it yet. And good to go. Stay tuned for the following videos.